careful, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, be careful.
Yeah. Some guys robbed my iPhone 11.
Honey, 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 honey.
Wow. Have you go out? Have you arrived? Oh. Yeah guys, today we will go on another waterfall, but it is a walk about 40 minutes and we need a tour guide. Yeah. So now we will get here some food and the tour guide. So guys, this fall is very different to Tai Tai Falls.
Yeah.
Because there you have a quick access and here you need a tour guide and to walk.
Yeah. Because if we go alone, they said we will get lost.
We will get lost.
It takes 45 minutes to 30 minutes to walk on the destination, and it's not allowed to bring any kind of wheels or motorbike or.
Maybe I don't will get lost because of this.
Yeah, or your Google map.
With a compass.
Oh no.
Ask him if there often goes foreigner.
Kuya, mayroon ba daw nagpupunta dito ng mga turista din or mga foreigner din? Yeah.
Kahapon po, 25 katao po sila.
Oh, yesterday they have 25 person here.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Puro po yun, all American ano.
American.
All American. Oh, nice. But we were on
Yesterday, Tai Tai Falls, no foreigner, only me.
Lang yung nandoon.
We have to walk 1.8 kilometers and maybe now we are on 20% or 30, but it's beautiful nature and it start raining.
We are on the top, going on the top of that mountain.
No, the mountain is 2,000 meters. But the most here the way is like this concrete. And here we have a canyon. Yeah, you see, it's a very beautiful nature. We just met a big centipede. Or, yeah, I think this is the right one. I shall show the photo now. And now explain, what do you guys?
Ano yan sa Tagalog po yung tawag?
No. What you said, Mahal?
Palasingsingan po.
Palasingsingan in Tagalog.
Mahal, what you said, he will what to me?
To part.
Yeah, this centimeter you showed on the you saw on the photo, he will fart on me. What an outrage!
And it's poisonous.
And then it's poisonous. I think it's not fart. He will just pull it out of his poison drüse, poison hole.
Like that snake, he pull out the venom.
You can see this blue in the back. It's a small swimming pool. They're living. Here. Kamote tubs. Yeah?
Yeah.
So sweet potato they're growing here, guys. And look, this is amazing. I repeat and repeat myself.
I hope this video, some people are interested in this nature.
Yeah.
Not like in a fancy restaurant, fancy building,
Exactly.
fancy hotel,
Fancy
beach,
Mall of Asia.
fancy beach.
Yeah, guys, this video will be a jungle tour, trekking tour,
Nature.
and so of course it's hot and sweaty. So the goal, the destination, will be satisfying, to jump in the cold water with waterfall. Guys, I don't know if you can see
Pero
how deep,
syempre may
steep that
bayad
is
yun
here.
pag nag-zipline ang mahal.
I don't know how you can
Hindi po magkakaano.
imagine how
Ito,
steep
pwede
that
rin
is
to i-zipline
on
kung
the camera. I
madidevelop
don't think
to.
so.
DNR po kasi ang mag-ano, protected area
Yun
na
nga,
to.
yun nga.
Look, and then they're having all these
Look,
cottages. I don't know if you need to rent it. Amazing. Oh, beautiful water. Amazing.
Look, they have
Can you-
some people also here.
Can you jump there, Kuya?
Pwede daw tumalon dyan, kuya?
Meron po ma'am, meron po
Yeah.
doon.
Look, they have some people also here. Opo.
This is our spot here. Here we can chill. And now first, having a break of the walk, and then jumping in the water, and then we have some food, tapsilok, that you can eat here. But it's nice.
You put it in the fridge.
Yeah, wait, I show you. Here, From
Look at
the
the bottle. It is. I.
from the spring.
Yeah, I get this water from here, and it's edible. You can drink. It's so cold. Can you imagine from the fridge, the water from the fridge? It's the same cold.
Yeah, it's condensed because here it's humid.
Yeah.
Tapsilok.
There's some
And egg.
lumpia and egg.
Now it's better. You're more happy than yesterday. About the food. I can understand it. Because also I like, yeah. And then all they were making barbecue
Yeah. See?
there.
And you can smell the smell that you cannot ask. Hey, can I ask your food? You know what? Yesterday, like someone is frying a pork, someone is barbecue, someone is eating Jollibee, someone is everything, and we don't have any kind of food there. Like we have only beer and chips.
Yeah. First waterfall, first dip in the water. Oha. Oh my god. Mahal. Can you do it?
Yes, don't worry about me, my God. I'm younger 10 years.
Yeah. But I'm still fit, like a gazelle.
But in 10 years, we cannot do that anymore. We cannot
We
do that
can.
anymore. Yeah?
In 10 years,
Oh. Aha, again. I think I don't want to go in the water.
amazing.
You are like our father.
Wait. Amazing. You want to jump? Let's go to the hotspot. On that bridge. And look what we have here. Amazing. Yeah, see what is going on here. It's amazing. And then this. And we will jump from the rock. Oh.
They will go jump. You there?
I think so.
Pwede po.
Just if it's deep enough.
Sabi nga niya.
Why are you wearing a swim vest?
For safety.
Or you cannot swim?
I can.
Ah,
For safety.
for safety.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not so easy. Wow.
Because there it's so deep.
Oh, yeah, I will also jump there.
It's blue.
Yeah. Bye-bye falls, we are leaving. What was the name? Kalingalang?
Wait,
Kalingalang.
I don't know.
We are leaving the falls and have this heavy wave ahead of us.
Sige po, ingat po kayo.
Okay, thank you din kuya. I can eat salad.
So guys, this is the end. We are shattered from the walk. Now waiting for our tricycle. Kuya, bye bye. We are leaving now Lilu on Friday, 11 a.m. with the jeepney. 17 kilometers with the jeepney. I have a seat in front, so that will be a nice ride. Can we go?
Kuya, ilang tao po dito sa front? Ilang tao po?
Dalawa.
Ah, nandito. It's okay for you?
What?
Wait,
But then, no button. Yeah. Let's go. What a nice town. I would suggest you guys to come to Lilu because it's a very cute town. A lot to do here, a lot to visit, a lot of sightseeing. So we are arrived in Santa Cruz at the bus station going back to Manila, but we need to wait 1.5 hours. That's what it is. But what I want to say is that we took the jeepney from Lilu back and only pay 40 pesos each. Instead, last time when we arrived, we paid 350 for the tricycle. That was yeah, a pity to pay that. But anyway, that's what it is.
for those people who want to go on vacation in Laguna, where the area where we go, so you have now already an idea. We are from Paranaque. We go in Paranaque in Pitex Terminal bus. From here, Santa Cruz, Laguna. And then from here, Santa Cruz, Laguna, there's a jeepney going to Liliu. It's up to you where you want to stay. Like if you want to stay in Mahayhay, Liliu, some other town, you can take a jeepney.
Yeah, take a jeepney, guys. Okay guys, here comes the story, yeah? It's loud here. Yesterday when we we are leaving Laguna, Lilio. We arrived in Manila very late. Not very late, like 6 p.m. Going to the Pitex bus station. There we changed to the small bus bringing us to Paranaque, home. And in the bus, some guys robbed my iPhone 11. Like, it was like this. Yeah, and they robbed it out of the backpack. So after 3-5 minutes, I recognized it, but the guys they already left the bus anyway. So the phone was gone. We talked to the bus driver, whatever, but I mean, the Philippines very complicated. Like, so anyway, when we were home, I opened my iCloud to find my phone, and it was offline and no location. So now it's the next day, almost 24 hours later, and we're coming back home from whatever, buying something, and I open my iCloud and the phone appears, yeah, located somewhere here in Manila, in Taguig City. So now we are hurry now, go to the next police station to tell them. Because we have already the location of the phone. Yeah? So let's see what will happen if we can find the phone, or what the police will do, and if I get my phone back. Because you know already what it means to get robbed the phone. Yeah? How that everything happened about the phone is another story. It was a little bit stupid, but also, I mean, that were snatchers, the robbers. Nobody of us recognized that the phone was robbed, yeah, but after 5 minutes, yeah. Anyway, so we're going out to the police and I will update you. Hello community, hello guys. We wanted to give you an update because in the last days after we arrived from Laguna,
we don't have any update.
Yeah, we had some hassle, some problems because my phone was robbed, my iPhone. Yeah, so we needed to do a lot. But anyway, what we wanted to say is thank you for watching all our videos and staying with us, and yeah, thank you so much. And yeah,
and this is again the sad part on our situation, like living again back to an LDR. It's really hard part for us, really.
Yeah,
it's a disaster.
It
also.
Is, yeah. LDR again, maybe for 1 year.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Try to find solutions, and stay tuned and follow us, and yeah, see you then. Yeah, okay, bye bye.